Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to speed up Adobe Photoshop on Windows PC. I show you guys how to do it. Open up Adobe Photoshop and click on the edit option and select preferences and go to general. In general, you just need to uncheck this auto show the home screen. This will speed up the Photoshop open time. Go to interface and you just need to click on this drop down in border and set all four of these to none in this side. This will remove the shadow from these areas. Go to file handling and recent file list contains set to 10 and automatically save recovery information every 5 minutes. And now go to performance tab and let Photoshop use this to 80 percentage and use graphics processor. Click on this advanced and uncheck open cl and click on ok. History states set this to 15. Cache level set it to 4. Cache tile size select the highest over here and now go to stretch disk. In here your drives will be listed over here guys. You just need to check all the drives you have and now go to plugins and under legacy extensions uncheck all the options under here and now click on ok and just reopen the Photoshop to see the results, and that's how you can speed up Photoshop. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.